Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantal. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video we're gonna be creating this look. I sat down and I did not know what to create today, and this is what I came up with. So yeah, if you guys want to see me create this look, keep on watching. I feel like I haven't sat in this chair in months. But it's only been a week. So I did buy a couple new things that I'm gonna use in today's video. So I got this Makeup Forever Professional Pro Sculpting palette. This is what it looks like. And then I got this paint pot from MAC. This is the Pro Longwear paint pot, and this is in the shade Contemplative State. And this is what it looks like. I love MAC paint pots, it's so good. And then I bought a new shade in the Fenty foundation. So this is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation, and I got this in the shade 310. So for those of you that's been here for a while, know that I poured the shade in 290. It's really light. So I might either mix these two or probably just go in with this one alone. Yeah, I might just go in with this one alone. And that's gonna be my foundation for today. And then the last thing that I got, no, I lie, I got two more things. So I got the Fasali Rose Gold Elixir. This is not new to me. I have used this before in the past and I really like it. So I got that. This is a mini size, by the way. And I also got this mint pastel mint palette from Huda Beauty, which I'm gonna be using in a upcoming video. And this is what that looks like. So and now I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection face primer. Okay, so now I'm going in with my L'Oreal Glow Lotion. This is in the shade 904. Oh yeah, why does it still looking light? Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna stop buying foundations because this shit is ridiculous. I don't know. It's not light. I feel like it's very, I don't know. I just know this shade don't seem right. In person it actually looks fine, but I know on camera it's probably looking crazy. I don't know if it's too like dark, too yellow. It might be too yellow. I don't know. Now to contour. This foundation really a little yellow, like a lot. I think I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. first. To highlight, I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Concealer. Okay guys, so I kind of like finished my skin off camera. To bronze, I went in with my Bronze Goddess by Estee Lauder, and for to set under my eyes, I went in with my One Size Ultimate Satin Powder, and then for my blush, I used my NARS Overlush Cheek Palette. So nothing new. That's why I really didn't want to show you guys, because I'm sure you all are fed up of seeing me do, tired of seeing me do my skin by now. So for my highlight, I know y'all can see a little bit of a glow. I went in with the highlighting shade from the Makeup Forever palette. I know I'm gonna go in to my eyes. I already sculpted my brows with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. So now I'm gonna go in with my Pro Longwear Paint Pot, and I'm actually keeping it really basic today. So I'm gonna lay this paint pot down in the shape of a wing. I am actually really obsessed with this color. So pretty. So now I'm gonna go into this Be Perfect Clientele palette. This is their collaboration with Ja makeup artist, and I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's called Bronzy, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. And I'm gonna use, so I'm going in with this flat brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm gonna take that bronzy shade all over the eyelids. I'm gonna spray that brush with the Mario Badescu satin spray. You can use any satin spray that you like. I don't think this is a satin spray. This is just some kind of facial spray, but just to help minimize the amount of fallout. I'm gonna go in with my favorite eyeliner from MAC, Teddy, in my waterline. I'm gonna take that same bronzy shade and run that on top of Teddy to smoke it out a little bit. And I feel like I do want under my eyes to be a little bit warm, so I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's an orange shade and it's called Jaja. I'm gonna go in with this pigment from MAC. It's called Copper Sparkle. And I'm gonna take this same brush, the same Anastasia brush. I'm gonna spray it. And I'm gonna put that all over the lid. Oh no! It changed the entire look of the... This was not intentional. I just wanted it to be shimmery. But this looks better. Oh, I can't. It's just been one of those days, guys. I'm gonna go stick my lashes off camera, fill in my brows, and I'll be back to do lips. Okay guys, so we're back to do lips, and for lips I'm just gonna go in with this lip butter gloss from NYX Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Madeline. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this Sweet Mouth from Fenty. And my lashes are from Shop Wings, and it's in the style Bali. Okay you guys, so that brings us to the end of this look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for spending time with me today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.